guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these really pretty, full, luscious, volumizing beach waves, Victoria's Secret Angel runway model curls. These curls just give me so many vibes, you guys, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys a quick tutorial on how I create these curls. Someone actually tweeted me and asked me to show them how I achieve this style, and honestly, you guys, I have been kind of putting it off for a minute just because I thought it was so simple and so easy, but I did want to come on here and show you guys how I do the whole process from start to finish, and so you guys can see and do this on your own hair if you want to achieve this same look. I hope you guys are gonna stay around to watch the tutorial, but before I jump into the tutorial, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, you guys. We're almost at 25K, and that was the only thing I asked for Christmas in 2017 was to reach 25,000 subscribers, so we're almost there. So if you guys could do me a favor and just go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and make sure notifications are turned on so every time I upload a video you'll be notified and you won't miss out on any of my uploads. Alright you guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. For the past couple of weeks, I've been wearing this style and I've really been reaching for this wig a lot lately, and I think it has a lot to do with this style. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I do this style and the technique I use, because I really feel like it's all in the technique. So, and here you guys, for this curl, what you want to do is you want to make sure when you wrapping the hair around the curling wand or your curling barrel, what you want to do is you want to make sure you keep the hair super flat, so this way when you brush your curls out, they'll be very smooth and they'll all be uniformed. So you don't want to chunk the hair up and just kind of twirl it around the wand. You want to make sure the hair is super flat and smooth, so that way when your curl comes out, it'll be super defined. So overall, I did around 10 curls throughout the head of this wig, and you guys, on each curl, I held them on the curling wand for different times. So depending on how thick the section was gonna determine how long I was gonna keep it on the barrel. So the curls that are closer to the front of my face, I actually left those on for maybe around 6 to 10 seconds, and then everything that moves farther away from my face, I left that on the barrel for around 30 to 35 seconds, just because when I started closest to the front of my hair, I was using smaller sections because I wanted the curls to be really defined around my face, but when it got closer to the back, it really didn't matter. I just wanted the curls to be really big, prominent, and I wanted you to be able to see that this was a curl. So around the back, I decided to hold them on the barrel for around 30 to 35 seconds. And as you guys can see here, I'm gonna alternate on sides which direction the curls are gonna go in. So pretty much, I'm gonna make the curls frame my face. So that's the direction that the curls are gonna go on each side. The whole process is pretty repetitive. It's so simple. It really just depends on how nice and neatly you wrap the hair around the barrel and for how long you hold the barrel for. So I didn't use any hairspray. I didn't put any mousse in this hair, any gel, any spritz. I didn't use anything like that besides the curling barrel to actually get the hair curled. And after that, I let the hair fall. I didn't pin them because I wanted the curls to be really relaxed. I wanted them to look more like a wave than a curl. So that's why I didn't do more than 10 curls. Normally I'll do around 8 curls, but I really wanted to show you guys how I did this technique and how I achieved this style. So I wanted to take my time and show you all, but normally I'll do 8 curls, so that'll make the curls even bigger and they'll be more wavy. But it was time for me to redo this anyway, so I decided to show you guys and go ahead and redo my hair. Once I have all the curls curled, I typically like to let the hair sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll go in with my wide tooth comb and I'll start from the bottom, working my way up to the top. And I like to work my way in sections when I'm combing the curls out. just because you never know if the hair is still hot or if it's still warm. So I like to start off at the bottom and I slowly work my way up to the top. Now I know in this video it looks like I'm going fast, but that's only because I've already sped it up so that way we wouldn't be sitting here all day. But I did want to tell you guys what I was doing with this wide tooth comb. So after I've combed the hair out, I'll follow up with a paddle brush, and that's what I did today. I know I didn't show you guys me brushing the hair out with the paddle brush, but that's just because I brushed the hair out so much because I really want the hair to fall. But if you're someone who really likes the results that come right here, if you like the way it looks right here, right now, then you can just comb it out with the wide tooth comb. But for me personally, I really like my hair to be really, really wavy and not necessarily a curl. So I go in with the paddle brush, and then after the paddle brush, I'll rake it out a few times with my fingers as well and fluff it up to make sure it looks really curled. Just seen, it was super easy for me to create this hairstyle and this look. I really enjoyed the way this turns out. I've been noticing, you guys, I've been reaching for this wig a lot more than I have any of my other wigs a lot lately, and I think it's because one, this hair is such good hair, and two, this wig is so natural, it looks natural, and three, you guys, this, like, oh my goodness, this style, like, I just love these curls, these waves. I did go ahead and make a wig out of these bundles. I was sent 3 bundles and a closure, a 5x5 closure, and this is Peruvian Bodywave from Fabwigs, and that is an Aliexpress vendor. I'll have all the information down in the description box for you guys. This hair was some really good hair. Besides the fact of me having to dye the hair black, I really didn't have a need to wash it. When it came, it didn't have a stench to it. When I washed it, it didn't look weird or anything like that. So the hair overall was pretty good, and I let it air dry, so I didn't blow dry it, and honestly the body wave pattern, it was really nice. So I think that's why these curls last so long too, because this isn't like Peruvian straight hair. This is actually like body wave hair. So I'll do this style and I won't have to redo this. I'll maybe have to like do 1 or 2 curls throughout the week, but typically I'll do this style like every 2 to 3 weeks. So it really does last, and like I told you guys in the video, I didn't use any type of hairspray. I didn't use any gel, any sprigs, anything like that. This is strictly just the hair. Like, this is what the hair looks like. This is what the hair is gonna hold up to be. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked the tutorial, found it helpful. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up. That really helps me out. That helps me get noticed on YouTube. And make sure you guys leave a comment down in the comment section below if you guys have any questions or concerns. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.